Here's a look at your daily market report on this Thursday, the 7th day in November. Yesterday was auction day at Green Sea Livestock Auction on Wednesday, 1,813 head. No recent sale for a good price comparison. The undertones, however, there were higher. It was noted this was the first true run of fall calves at the local barn there. Several strings of reputation cattle on hand, many of them, however, unweaned, but did carry the 2 rounds of shots. A couple stick-out sales at the barn there. Yesterday was 18 head of 602-pound steers that sold at $298. A full load of 739-pound steers at $273. Taking a look at what's going on today around the state at the auction barns. New Cambria livestock market scheduled to have a sale today. I did see one early listing of 90 head of reputation heifers weighing in the light 7s that will sell today. Mocan livestock market, as well as Mid-Missouri livestock auction in Phillipsburg, both holding sales today. Later this evening, Joplin regional stockyards will hold their monthly replacement cow auction, as will Callaway Livestock Center. They'll have their monthly replacement cow auction sale as well this evening. Both of those barns have several high-quality listings of good cattle that would be bred and young in age, as well as several listings of heifers there. Taking a look at the box beef cutout values this morning. Choice at $312.70 down $2.89. Select at $282.94 down 26 cents. Those values based on 75 loads of cuts, trimmings, and grinds. Choice Select spread setting at $29.76. Negotiated feedlot trade for the week still basically at a standstill. Really not much of any kind of trade in any of the feeding regions so far this week. A few scattered sales around have taken place. Hopefully that's not going to be the market, as those scattered sales have been several dollars lower than last week's trade. But again, it's been on very light volume so far this week. Taking a look at the midday futures markets on the Mercantile Exchange at midday. Live cattle, December 22 higher, 185.62. February 186.95, up 22. November feeders 12 cents lower, 247.57. January 243.97, down a nickel. Lean hogs for December 92 lower, 81.20. February 85.02, down 12. On the board of trade, corn contracts, December a quarter of a cent lower, 4.26. March unchanged at 4.39. November beans up 7, 10.01.5. January 10.13.5, up 9 3/4. Wheat for December down 2 3/4, 5.70.5. March at 5.88, down 3. Soybean oil for December down $3.10 a ton at 295.30. December oil up $1.73 at 48.07 a hundredweight. With the Missouri Department of Agriculture, that's your farm news. This is Tony Hancock.